Today we are going to start with an already set up character. To see what we are working with, we are going to import the files from a completely different character. So we have a female character that is already provided and a monkey character that we are going to blend seamlessly with our female character. We are going to pick an additional or bonus control, set that expression and transfer the neutral expression of the monkey, and after that all of its following assets like the eyes, eyelashes, cartilage, saliva, teeth and all the rest. If we click, currently the neutral is already updated, and now we can move forward and transfer all of the additional assets. Now, if we save the data to RigX, we are going to have a fully functional additional character on an already set up character. Meaning, in the animation, we can blend seamlessly between two characters and make any expression we want. But, for example, if we make an eyes closed using the additional character, we are going to have some problems. How would we go about fixing that? It's pretty straightforward. We will need to use RigX DNA Manager. And in the add or remove additional expressions, we are going to select the eyes closed and the bonus control that has the set up additional character. With that, we will add that combination. First, we need to pick the folder where the character is. After that, we need to pick what it's going to influence, what DNA files. We want it to influence everything, and where we want to add that control. Since eyes already has a lot of controls, we are going to add it to bonus controls. File is being calculated, and we will just refresh the character once it's done to have it loaded. Now, if we double click on it, automatically we get the monkey character in the eyes closed shape, as you can see here. Now, in this shape, we are just going to close the character's eyes so it looks natural, and then we are going to save that information to the RigX DNA file. So once you have any animation of the character, it can actually use that data properly. And we are not going to think too much about additional assets now, since they are not important for us at this moment. For example, if we now go to the screen branch and do the jaw open expression, potentially we would want to exaggerate this since it is a monkey, and we would go about that by, again, opening the DNA Manager, selecting the jaw open expression with the combination of control, with the bonus control that influences when we transform the character to the monkey. Again, select the character, select what you want to influence. Since it is jaw open, we only need head, saliva and teeth, and select where we want that control to be. Once that gets calculated, we can have it in the bonus controls that we selected. When we select that expression, we can now edit what we need so that we get the final output as we envisioned it. So we are just going to copy the neutral expression of the monkey and exaggerate the jaw open expression with our blend. Transfer that with the blend shape, and we have that on the working head. Now we can, of course, if we need to, adjust the jaw open, shape, loop flow, or anything else that is needed from us. So in this example, we are just showcasing it quickly so you get the idea how to work with these assets, additional programs, and everything else needed to create a high fidelity character. Now, since we exaggerated the jaw open expression, we are also going to need to edit the teeth and the saliva mesh. This is a quick way of how we can do it. Find where it fits in the mouth, and there you have it. Custom jaw open expression on an additional character using just one control. We calculate the rig, put every information in the DNA file, and that is how it goes.